this video, I'm going to teach you all of these Thai phrases, and if you are interested, just get ready. สวัสดีค่ะ Let's learn Thai with me, Teya Suchira. If it's first time for you learning Thai language with me, please spend just 3 minutes on my first Thai lesson by clicking here because it's going to help you to learn Thai easily. And for you guys who are ready to learn Thai with me today, let's get started. How are you? Sa Bai Dee Mai? Sa Bai Dee Mai? Sa Bai Dee Mai? Sa Bai Dee Mai is just like, are you good? Sa Bai Dee Mai? Don't forget to say, Sa Bai Dee Mai Kap? Or, Sa Bai Dee Mai Ka? I'm fine. สบายดี 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 Make sure you say สบายดีครับ or สบายดีค่ะ The sound lower ค่ะ Women say ค่ะ and a man say ครับ The sound high สบายดีครับand women say ค่ะ สบายดีค่ะ I don't feel well ไม่ค่อยดี 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 Don't forget to say ไม่ค่อยดีค่ะ ไม่ค่อยดีครับ I'm sick ไม่สบายไม่สบาย ไม่สบายค่ะ ไม่สบายครับ What's your name? คุณชื่ออะไร 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 คุณชื่ออะไรคะ คุณชื่ออะไรครับ My name is ผมชื่อ ผม is for man ฉัน ฉันชื่อ ฉัน is for woman. Please make sure this sound ชื่อ is a bit difficult because a lot of you guys speak it wrong. Many of you guys like to say ชื่อ ชื่อ I understand because when we just write down in Thai, when we write down from Thai to English, we don't have that kind of sounds particularly. But this is how it sounds like. ชื่อ ชื่อ Keep smiling. Sorry. Okay, again. ชื่อ ชื่อ not true. ชื่อ 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 Okay, so just keep practice it. Nice to know you. ยินดีที่ได้รู้จัก 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 ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักนะคะ ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักนะครับ Na is particle, so if you put na likeนะคะ นะครับ is really cute. It's really natural Thai. So if you say nakap, this one is it's also we use it a lot, but it's no meaning. ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักนะคะ ยินดีที่ได้รู้จักนะครับ And all of these words that you learn, you probably wanted to learn each word and wanted to know the meaning of each word. So let's learn it. Sa Bai, Sa Bai, Sa Bai. I want to teach you one extra word. A lot of Thai people love to say Sa Bai, Sa Bai. Sa Bai, Sa Bai means like, okay, take it easy. It's gonna be okay. Oh, okay, relax. Sa Bai, Sa Bai. No worry, no problem. Sa Bai, Sa Bai. Relax, relax. We love to say these words. Dee, Dee, Dee. A-rai, 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 A-rai. Khun, Khun, Khun. ชื่อ 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 You can listen carefully. This word ชื่อ The tone is like the falling tone. It's like ชื่อ ชื่อ So this sound is a falling tone. So try to practice, please. ไม่ 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 is also falling tone. ไม่ 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 is not. ยินดี 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 ผม 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 It sounds like a rising tone. Rising tone like like questioning. But it's really like that. And the tone is very important because if you speak slightly wrong tone, it's so different meaning. So if you want to speak Thai very good, you have to practice the tone very correctly. So rising tone and this word ผม ผม So if you want to talk like foreigner, if you want to talk like a tourist, they usually say pom, pom, palm. I don't know, but the right Thai word is ผม ฉัน 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 Can you hear my sounds? ฉัน Well, when I just listen carefully, I think it's a bit funny, right? But I just get used to. So I just feel like it's very normal to have that kind of tone like this. And this is the right tone. ฉัน is like a rising tone. ฉัน Can you hear? But it's really like that. So try to say it. ฉัน ฉัน means I. But the next Thai lesson, when I have a chance, I would just go into deep ฉัน because I and you, only these two words, we have so many words. ฉัน if you say this word ฉัน this is only for the tourists. Myself, I don't say ฉัน to anybody. I only say ฉัน when I writing down. It's just a writing, it's just only the writing Thai words. But you know, it's so complicated to teach you each word. Like, you know, why you don't say ฉัน I want to know, I want to know. You can wait. But you know, when you come here and you don't have time to learn Thai that kind of deep, you can just only say ฉัน Everybody know, like, you mean yourself. ฉัน is only for women. So if you're a guy, you don't say ฉัน You only say ผม Okay? รู้จัก 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 is like for you to know about a person, about the place, and about the thing. But another word is รู้ รู้ only รู้ รู้ means like you have a knowledge, you have information. So that one you say รู้ So please keep practice, and this is only what I want to teach you. I think it's quite a lot enough. But keep practice and speak it every day. It's gonna be easy. Try to remember and try to remember the tone. If you want to learn Thai correctly, please learn Thai with Thai local people, and the toning is going to be correct, So if you want to speak good Thai, don't want to speak like a tourist, come back and learn with me. Until next time, thank you so much for watching until the end. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye